Okay, got up this morning and it's cold. Turn on the heat. Nothing except when it goes on to high. That means the AC heater blower motor resistor has gone bad. And it's an easy fix. It's right behind the glove box. So the first thing to do is release the glove box. Press in on each side and it will drop down. Make sure you do that. Oh, I got a straw here. Empty it out first, otherwise it'll all wind up on the floor. That's the culprit right there. So we disconnect the two cables. One, disconnect those two cables, and it's a 5/16 socket. Get that out of there. And we'll take it out of there. Comes right out. A cage on it and the resistors. Open up the new one. Simple $15 part. Doesn't have the same cage on it as the other one did. And we shall put it back in. Now just to screw it into place. It's snugged up in there. Now we'll reconnect the cables. Let's go try it out now. So now let's see what happens. Car's turned on, and we'll try. We have low, we have medium, we have high, and we have all the way. We have all 4 speeds and off. So a 10-minute fix, a $15 part, and a little bit of a mess from the glove box.